Hi everybody, happy Thursday. I say the day because I work the same day on the same properties each week, so if you find a property interesting, you can look for that day, and all those videos are taken on the same property. So, today is Thursday, we're getting near the end of the week. We're looking at a rose bed that is just about to peak. It's covered in buds and it's big, it's wonderful, but we do have this one rose that was fairly expensive on standard and is looking like crap. So we're going to replace it, which is pretty easy to do. First of all, dig out the old one, which we'll put in a less visible location and hope that it recovers. Now, there is talk by some people who know about roses that one rose will poison the ground for another. And I don't know if this is the truth or not. I've never seen evidence of it, but why take chances? So, in my opinion, it's a good idea, if you're replacing a rose, to dig a hole that's a little bigger than you think the old rose was occupying, and put in some fresh soil in the bottom of the hole. Soil right out of the bag. Oh, there we go. Alright, so we'll move him out of the way. Over here. Okay. Then, we're going to dig a nice deep hole here. Bigger than what the previous rose was occupying. Oh, it's a weedy mess in here. I'm going to have to clean this up afterwards. Hopefully, a spectacular rose display will distract viewers from the mess inside. I tell you, May and June are the month of weeds. It is impossible to keep up. I'm sure you've experienced that. Okay. Now, I have some fresh soil over here, which you can't see from your angle, but trust me, it's right here. I'm going to place it in the bottom a little deeper. Make sure we get rid of all that poisonous soil. Okay. And fresh soil at the bottom. Nice and black. Okay. Nice and loose. Now, a big handful of bone meal into the bottom of the hole. Oh, I even have a little bone meal applicator here. Good idea to keep it in the bag. Somebody's thinking around here. Okay, move that out of the way. Shuffle around the bone meal a little bit. Just tease it into the soil. Then we have some shake and feed. This is the only chance you'll get to send food directly to the roots of the rose. And they're very hungry at this time of year. Feed them until mid-July. Every 2 weeks. They are hungry. I know you think I'm gonna say hippos, but I'm not. Roses. Okay. Now we have a floribunda rose. Floribunda means that rather than one long stem with a tea rose on the end, the kind you would put in a vase, this is going to be full of yellow flowers, hopefully doing better than the last rose. So we've got one covered in buds, and we'll just gently lift it out of the pot, set it in the hole. Whoa, a little wobbly. Make sure the nicest side is facing forward. There we go. Backfill. And in this case, we'll probably need a little support stick for the first year because it's wobbly, and it's going to get more wobbly as the blossoms get open and full of water because it'll rain, and they'll get heavy, and one morning I'll arrive here and find the whole thing tipped over. Again, a reminder with roses, stomp down the ground around the rose. You do not want any air pockets amongst the roots. They do not respond well to that. So I am stomping down the root base, and it is sinking a good 2 inches. So there's lots of room there, and a little more backfill. Okay, I think we're done. Ta-da! Rose replacement. So we've got about a dozen rose plants of various types in here. Boxwood around the outside, coleus along the bottom, 2 different colors intermixed, and yeah, there you go, formal rose bed. See you next time.